Here's my review of the Wagner PowerTex. Wagner PowerTex all-in-one power texture spray. I use this to do my popcorn sealing in my garage. It's a little expensive trying to get a like an air compressor and then a hopper for my project. So I went ahead and just say, okay, well, let me just see what else is out there. So this is what I found. I'll show you what it looks like. From here, you squeeze it and the cylinder opens up. And there's different I guess nozzle. This is the biggest one they have, and then they get smaller and smaller. So depending on how big your project is, or you just want to do a focus point, you can just do a smaller hole or a big. Or this is the largest one. It gets smaller. And there's three. There's medium, smaller one, and then so there's three of them here. This is the hopper. Basically, you just stick it on here, and then you turn it, and then it sits in there. I'll do it in a bit. Let me take the turbine out so you can see what it looks like. So basically, you can just turn it like this, and it comes out. There's two ways you can do it. There's one to see how the buttons down here. You can you can do it. You can leave them here. I had it down here once. Didn't like it because it's kind of hard to get to. So I went ahead and changed directions and got it to connect up here. So when you're spraying it like this, if you guys still have it, if you're spraying it like this, you can just hit that power button on and off from here, other than reaching it down here. You just do this. So pretty much there's three pieces to this. This is the turbine that pushes it out. This is what it looks like from the inside. I don't know if you guys can see it. It goes in and out. So the hopper comes in like this. You turn it, and that's it. Get it smaller. Like this. Get you a bigger view. That's what it looks like. My biggest problem is that if you put your texture stuff in here, what happens is it gets top heavy. So a little bump makes this come off. So for instance, you know, let me see if I can get a better picture. It's too far away. So, how does this look? So you got all the liquid up here, right? So, and then you got your power cord down here. So this connects it like this. How does that look? So you got your power cord plugged in. So if you kick your power cord or something, it gets top heavy up here. So it falls over, and then you spill all your stuff. Then you have to re-clean it and then redo it again. So that's my biggest problem that I had with it. Otherwise, everything was kind of okay. Oh, the other issue that I had with it was that this get clogged up a lot. So I tend to, you would have to clean this up. You would have to clean this nostril up all the time. Because if you don't, the pattern doesn't look right. Let's see. You didn't. I mean, granted, it's just a little engine here that shoots it out. So it's not enough power. So when I was shooting it, my ceiling was like over here. Let me see if you guys can see. Yeah, let's say this is my ceiling. You could probably only do about this much, and this is kind of too far. So I was actually doing it like this far. So it's not that powerful, but it serves its purpose. It's only 99 bucks. So that's pretty good. Other than that, I mean, I like it. just for what I had to do instead of buying a whole new air compressor and hopper and everything like that. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. So I would recommend it. I was looking for reviews on it. Didn't have one, so I figured I'll go ahead and do one. So there you guys go. If you like it, if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe and like it for me. All right, appreciate it.